Guys, my name is Chanu, SAP FICO and Simple Finance Trainer. So today topic is job update regarding SAP FICO position, and it's a senior functional analyst position in FICO module. This is an opportunity with Fortune 500 company, and the location is Bangalore. So take a look at this is the email address that you need to send it to your resume. Atidi@talent500.co. So please send your resume to this email address right away. And she is the job provider. Atidi Singh is she is a HR. She is from HR talent acquisition team. And you can see this is the job description. Sorry, this is the annual salary 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs around, and experience is required 5 to 8 years, and the job location in Bangalore. This is the senior functional analyst position. So please click on the apply button. This is the email address. Okay, no problem. So you should have 5 to 8 years of experience in FICO module, and AA, AP, AR, GL, CO and PS, and Agile project experience is required. Good to have retail or digital experience, and immediate to 30 days joiners. So the role is support 40% and implementation should be 60%. No potential support experience required in the candidate, could be combination of support and implementation or only implementation as well. A complete support experience will not fit for this role. So strong communication skills and influencing skills is required. So these are the mandatory skills like expertise in FICO module, as for HANA, Agile and implementation project experience is required. So you should good to have skills. Undefined is not mentioned anything. So please send your resume to this email address right away. This is the job update, guys. Thank you very much for your support. This is Chanu SK signing off.